Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss very interesting questions of quadratic equations. You see these questions. First question is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0. X cannot be equal to 0 of course because here x is in denominator here. So 1 by 0 will be not defined. That's why x should not be equal to 0. And second question is here 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. X should not be equal to minus 4 and 7 because if x is minus 4 then 1 by minus 4 plus 4 1 by 0 which will be not defined, or if x is equal to 7 then 7 minus 7 becomes 0, so 1 by 0 not defined. That's why the condition is given here, x should not be equal to minus 4 and 7. So let us see how we can solve these questions very easily. Very interesting questions these are. So let us do this first question. Solution of first question. Here first question is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now let us simplify it. So by taking LCM here, solving these two terms. So LCM is x and here x square minus 1 is equal to 3. By cross multiplication, you will get x square minus 1 is equal to 3x, and this 3x will be transposed to left hand side, so you will get here x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now as we have discussed in previous videos, there are three different methods for solving a quadratic equation. First, we can solve it by factorizing this expression. Second, we can solve it by completing the square method, and third, you can solve it by quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is like this: x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here a, b and c, these are constants. Whenever you will compare this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can get the value of a, b and c very easily. So you see here a is equal to how much? 1. 1 into x square is x square. So here a is equal to 1. B is equal to here bx, here minus 3x. So b is equal to minus 3. And c is equal to how much? Minus 1. Correct? Minus 1. So now let us put the values of a, b and c is equal to. Let us put the values of a, b and c in this formula, quadratic formula, and we will get the value of x very easily. So this is equal to minus of b, means minus of minus 3, that is 3, plus minus root over b square, means minus 3 square, that is 9, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 1 divided by 2a. A is 1 here, so this is 2 into 1. So by using this quadratic formula, we have to put the values of a, b and c in this formula, and a, b, c we can have by comparing this given quadratic equation with the standard formula of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Correct? Now let us simplify it. You will get the answer very easily. So this is equal to 3 plus minus what we will have in this radical sign, in this square root sign. This is 9 and this is plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13 divided by 2. So x is equal to this much. Here we will get two values of x. First, when we will take this plus sign, and second, when we get this minus sign. So therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2, and another value when we take this negative sign, so 3 minus root 13 by 2. These are answer, these are solutions, or these are roots of this given quadratic equation. Correct? And you can verify these answers here. When we will put the value of x here, you will see that after solving it, equation will be satisfied. Correct? Now next question. Here this, let us see this second question. We have 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Let us simplify it. So first of all, you can take LCM here. So this is, LCM will be x plus 4 into x minus 7. And here 1 into this much means x minus 7, and minus of 1 into this much means minus x minus 4. And this is equal to 11 by 30. Okay. This plus x and minus x is being cancelled out. So we are getting here minus 11 by, you multiply these two factors. So this will be x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Correct? And these two 11s will be cancelled out. 1, 1. Correct? Now cross multiplication. So we are getting here, when this denominator is cancelled out, multiplied with this one, you will get x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30, or x square minus 3x, this 30 will be transferred to left hand side, it will become plus 30. So plus 30 minus 28, that is 2, is equal to 0. Correct? And as we have discussed in the first question, we can use any method, either splitting the middle term or by completing the square or by quadratic formula. So by splitting the middle term, we can do it very easily. So you see, this can be written as x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. This minus 2x minus x is nothing but minus 3x. And whenever you will multiply first and last term, it should be equal to multiplication of these two middle terms, which is 2x square. Here by multiplying first and last term, you are getting 2x square. Here also, when we will multiply these two terms, we are getting 2x square. This is the condition for splitting the middle term. And now from these first two terms, we can take x common, so x minus 2, and from these two terms, we can get minus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here x minus 2 is common, so x minus 2 will be common, x minus 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have already discussed in the previous videos that when product of two linear expressions is 0, so either this linear expression will be 0 or this will be 0. So when x minus 2 is 0, we are getting x is equal to 2. And when x minus 1 is 0, we are getting x is equal to 1. So these are the solutions. This is the answer. We are getting two values of x, 2 and 1. So these are the solutions. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Correct? So by any method, by splitting the middle term means factorization, by completing the square that we have discussed already in the previous video, or by using quadratic formula that we have used in the same video, in this video, in question number 1. Quadratic formula, you remember, x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So questions are not difficult, very simple, just we have to do proper practice to have a command over these topics. So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next videos, we will do some more problems from the same topic, quadratic equation. Thank you very much.